Okay, I've just completed the holes on the retaining board, or the lining board, whatever you want to call it. I've decided to go for 8 magnets on the board and 8 magnets in the supporting strips. I've not done these yet. I've still got to do that. I just want to sort of show how I did this. I basically measured the width of the stick. That's 16 millimeters. Divided that by 2 is 8. So I set the micrometer to 8 millimeters. Sorry, the vernier. What am I saying? Micrometer. Christ, I should know better than that. 8 millimeters there, so we've got 8 millimeters deep here, yeah. And then we just set our marking gauge to 8 mil. I can't demonstrate it very accurately with one hand, but basically that would be there. See, keeping this back face parallel to the shaft of the marking stick. So that's 8 mil. So I went with a depth of 1 inch this way and 10 inches this way on all 4 corners, from all 4 corners rather. So we might have a slight discrepancy here, maybe, you know, I don't know, because the box lid might be a little bit out, a mil or 2, but it's going to be near enough for my purposes. We then, we made a mark on the lengths with a pencil and a set square, yeah. So we've got a little mark there like that, and then we came along with our marking gauge and just pushed the point in to get our 8 millimeters in from the outer edge. So it was all marked out, and then these 8 holes were all drilled. And if I just slide that into position, there we go. That's lovely and flush now. So that will be. I was actually having a thought about this a short while ago. I assumed when I ordered these magnets that I would just glue them in. And one thing I didn't consider is the strength of the magnets. So I had intended on using epoxy resin, you get the 2 tubes and you mix them together and that forms the adhesive. And I'm going to continue with that idea. I'm just hoping now, because I haven't actually tested this, that the epoxy will be strong enough to hold the magnet in place. I should think so, because the epoxy is a fairly strong adhesive. But will the magnet pull out, or will the wood break? Because these magnets are super strong. I was quite surprised at how strong these magnets are. So yeah, this all might be for naught yet, folks. But I'll crack on now anyway. Enough blathering for now. Catch you again soon. Bye for now.